Hello students, myself Sujit Dubey, and now today we will study the chapter linear equation in one variable. It is taken from the standard 8th and from this NCERT book. Before starting chapter, we shall discuss some basic concept like what is the constant term, what is the variable, what is the expression, and finally what is the equation. These are all the basic terms relating to linear equation in one variable. Okay, now first of all we discuss about constant term. Then all the counting numbers are known as the constant term. Either it will be positive or negative number or whole number or fractional number or any number. Constants, all counting numbers are known as constant term. Okay, for example, what will be constant term? For example, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, etc. In constant terms, all the numbers like natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, integer like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, fractional number, that means rational number, that means 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, all these numbers are known as the constant term. Okay, now variable, understand? Next basic concept is the variable. Now we will know about what is the variable. Variable. What is the variable? Now, second concept is the variable. What is the variable? Variable may be a small letter of English alphabet. Okay, for example X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. These are known as the variable. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Variable कहते हैं. Okay, now this will be the variable. Now वेरिएबल के बाद जो थर्ड टर्म आता है वो आता है आपका एक्सप्रेशन. Okay, what is expression? An expression is the combination of constant term, constants, variables and mathematical science. Okay, for example, 2x constant variable, plus sign is the mathematical sign, and 3. This is the expression. 2x plus 3 is the expression. 2x square plus y plus z is also an expression. Okay, expression is the combination of algebraic terms, that means constant term, variables and positive sign, negative sign, divide, multiply. This is okay. Have you understand? Okay, now we shall study about the linear equation. Equation actually equation is also a form of a expression, but there is a equality sign between two expressions. That means one variable and one constant. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is a type of a equation. Okay, 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. This is also type of a equation. 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a type of a equation. Equation means having a equality sign between expressions, between constants, between variables. Okay, that means equation is the combination of constant term, variable terms and equality sign. Okay, understand? Linear equation मतलब having power 1. If we denote x square plus 2 is equal to 0, this is not a linear equation because power of x is 2. These are all upper 3 equations is a linear equation because in these variable x and variable y have power 1. There is given nothing, but we treat as one power, and one power having one power is known as a linear equation. And one variable matlab having only one variable, that is either x, either y, either z, that is x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation, but x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation and in one variable, but x plus y is equal to 0 is also a linear equation, but having two variables. Then in this we have to study about only linear equation in one variable. That means x plus 2 is equal to 5, like this. This is a linear equation having one variable. The variable is x. Okay. Now we shall study the solution of a variable, the solution of equation. Solution of an equation. Question is that how can we solve the equation in one variable? Okay. For example, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. We have to find out the solution of this equation. Our aim is to separate constant terms and variable terms. Okay, here 2x is the constant and 3 and 7 is the 2x is the variable term and 3 and 7 is the constant term. So at left side 2x is taken and at the right side 7 is taken and 3 will be transferred to the right side. That means transposed to the right side. Then After transposing any number or any variable, sign will be changed. That means minus 3 becomes plus 3, implies 2x is equal to 7 plus 3, that means 10. And finally, multiply becomes divide at the right side. That means 2 becomes division by 2, and 2 5 is 10. Answer will be 5. Actually, if we transpose any number or variable, if sign is minus, then right side becomes positive plus. If sign is plus, then going to right side becomes minus. And if the number is multiplication form, then at the right side becomes division. If there is a division, becomes multiplication at the right side. Okay. Again, we take some examples like question number 2. Two y plus 9 is equal to 4. In this case, you have to separate the constant term and variable term. In this case, 2y will be remain at left side and 9 goes to the right side. Therefore, 9 will be minus. Why? Because 9 is positive in this case. So, after going at the right side, it becomes minus, negative. 2y, 4 minus 9. In this case, we have to subtract 9 minus 4. We get 5. But bigger number sign is minus. Therefore, sign of 5 will be minus. Now, 2 is in the multiplication form 2y. Then it goes to right side and becomes division. And this will be answer to this question. Okay. Again, next. Next question is x upon 3 pi upon 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So we have to know, we should not fear from this equation. Easily formed. 5 upon 2 goes to right side, becomes minus 5 upon 2. Now, minus minus, what we operate? Minus, we have to operate addition, not minus, not plus. Minus, there is no plus. Minus will be add. That means if we get two minus signs, we have to add. Then 3 and 5. Total is 8 upon 2. X upon 2 is equal to minus 4. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 4. Now 2 is in the division form at the left side. When it goes to the right side, it becomes multiplication. Okay, clear? Therefore x will be minus 8. Answer will be minus 8. Okay, have you understand this equation? Okay. So in this way we can solve easily other problems like this. Okay. I hope that all of you have understand this equation, solving the problem. So thank you. We will meet again in the next video.